products and tools. Now, before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Hi guys! Welcome back! So, today, I'll be unboxing. Ito na! 89 pieces household tool set. Ayan, nandiyan. Sana. Hindi ko makita dito. Ito. Ayan. So, ano ba ang household tool set? Para saan? Ito yung mga must-have na nasa bahay. Kasi ito yung ginagamit for DIY na usually natin kailangan. So, without further ado, let us unbox this. Okay. Ooh! Ooh! Ah! So, ito na. Ito na. Ito na. Siyempre, at first, ako talaga mag-open. So, 89 pieces. Let me open. Oh, may foam pa. May foam, guys. Dapat talaga meron. And which is good kasi para hindi mas yan yung gamit at magtama-tamaan. So, hindi magagastos if ever. Okay, guys. Ito na. Ito na siya. Ito na siya. I'm going to show you this. So, nakikita niyo naman lahat ng gamit na yan. So, I will show you everything na nandito. Isa-isa ng inclusions niya. Though, meron din naman nakasulat dito sa box. Kung ano yung inclusions niya. At the same time, kung asan yung tinuturo niya. So, naka-indicate siya. So, if ever hindi nyo alam yung tawag, ito yun. May guide kayo. Okay. So, close up. So, eto na. So, we will reopen. So, ano yung mga inclusions sa 89 pieces household tool set? So, first up is, unahin ko muna yung bottom, which is ito. So, we have the 1/4 bits na 44 pieces. So, ayan siya. After nyan, meron tayo ito, tinatawag natin mini spirit level. Tapos, meron tayong 1/4 inch mga sockets. So, it's 12 pieces. Then, we have the hammer. Then, meron din tayong tape measure. Tapos, meron din tayong hex key. Na-set na siya. So, ano nga ba ulit tawag sa hex key na isa pang term? It's called Allen wrench. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit tawag Allen wrench. Again, Filipinos are very creative. Yun ang masasabi ko. Then, we have the combination pliers. Then, we have the long nose. Tapos, meron tayo dito yung extension bar na 1/4 inch. Then, meron tayo dito, kasama natin ang 1/4 inch socket adapter. Then, meron din tayo dito, bit adapter. So, ito yun. So, ito na yung nasa baba na inclusion. Next up dito sa taas, ano yung mga kasama? So, ayan. Meron tayo dito. Ito ay ang water pump pliers. Then, meron tayo ditong stubby screwdrivers. Then, meron din tayo ditong precision screwdrivers. So, what do you mean by precision? Ito kasi yung para sa mga maliliit na bagay. Then, we have the set of mga screwdrivers. Then, meron tayong one-piece nut screwdriver. So, yun yung inclusion sa 89 pieces household tool set. Now, guys, if you're gonna ask or wonder kung ano yung meaning nito or para saan to ginagamit, please check our previous videos for what used to and saan sila gawa. So, ayan siya. Nasa separate video siya. So, feel free to watch it, guys. So, we are gonna close it again. So, ayan. See? 89 pieces. Household must-have tool set. So, that is all what I can do today for you guys. I hope na na-enjoy niyo itong video. And nakapag-unbox tayo ulit. I think magiging favorite ko rin to kasi pang ano yung household. And may mga things ko dito na wala pala ako na kailangan sa household. So yes, this is a must household tool set. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Feel free to like, comment, and share. And look forward to mga future videos namin. Also support us by watching our previous videos, especially yung mga minis and para saan ginagamit yung iba-iba, solo, para at least, you know, where and what for to use itong mga to. Separate videos talaga siya lahat, guys. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye! Last tingin. Bye, guys! Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.